Often when you are working with complicated Excel sheets, you will see that you have links to other Excel sheets. And sometimes you'll open this file and you're not sure what is this link and you need to review it. Now the problem comes when you click on data and click on edit links, you'll see your links here. Now here I only have 2, but what if you had 15, 20? It's very cumbersome to check them here. So in this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to bring all the links that are in your workbook here. And also I'm going to teach you how to bring all the files that are in a certain folder. And it's very, very simple. It uses macros 4.0 and it uses dynamic arrays. We don't need to care about the technicalities. I'll just show you how to do it. So let's start. We want to get all the links that are in this workbook. So what I do is I go to Formulas, Name Manager, New, and then under New, I'm going to call this Get Links. You can choose the name that you like. Here is the most important. You're going to say equal links, open parenthesis, close parenthesis. And you say OK. Then you have this function that you created. So you'll come here and you'll say equal transpose. Why we are using transpose? Because if I just use my new function, the data will come horizontally. So they'll come in column A, B, C, D, etc. I want it in one column. So I'm going to use my get link formula, get links. You see it's here. I double click on it. Then I close the parentheses and I say enter. And as you can see, I can get all the links that are in my file. Now, if I add a link, for example, let's take this one from the notepad. Let's put it here. We just paste it. As you can see, it is not updating automatically. So what do you do here? Very simple. You do Control Alt F9. And as you can see, the formula refreshes and I get my new link. The next thing we're going to do is how to get all the files in this directory. So we're going to use something similar. We go to Name Manager under Formulas. Then we say New. We say Get Files. Again, you choose the name. Here we do equal files, open parenthesis. Here you need to select your directory. So I'm going to select this cell and then I close my parenthesis and I say OK. Now we're going to use the same technique with transpose and calling our function, but you'll see it's not going to work and I'll show you how to fix it. We're going to do equal transpose, open parenthesis, then we say get files, then we close this, we say enter, we get NA. Why are we getting NA? Because here, this is our folder. So when you go to a folder, anything, for example, you go here and you copy paste, you'll see it will come up to here, right? Now, what you need to do is add a backslash and put a star. A star means give me all the files that are in this directory. If you say enter, you can see that now I get my files. If I just move this here a little bit, you see those are my files in the directory. If you see here, I have some files that are XLSM and one file XLSX. So if I want to have a particular extension or file name, I can just modify this and say, for example, here I want it to end with XLSX. Enter, you get only one file. If I want to have in it, for example, justify. As you saw, there were 2 files with justify. I put a star before, a star after, and then you can see I get all my files which have justify somewhere inside. So basically the star tells me, if I have a star before justify, it means I can have anything in the name, and then I have justify, right? And then the star after means that I can have justify and then anything after doesn't matter, as you can see. So for example, if I remove the star at the end, I'm not going to get anything because I'm saying that the file name should end with justify, and it doesn't because it ends with XL, SM, etc. So let's do it, and as you can see, I get an A. So you can play with this and you can get all the files that you require, Excel files, doc files, etc. with this simple methodology.